Yes! Yes! Oh, oh, I did it. Okay, fell down. Oh, I gotta go get it now. Man, when that fell, that actually didn't look like a pineapple. It might be, it might be something else. Whew. Okay. All right, that's kind of a dangerous slope to go down. Oh my goodness, that is so exciting. Wow. Man, the things I come across, it's just like always, every hike has been so eventful. Oh, look at that. Yes. Wow. Okay. Well, this is most definitely not a pineapple, but it is something somewhat scary looking. Let's get back up. What could this thing possibly be? So I think I just kind of want to smash it on a rock and see what happens. It's kind of the only option because I can't like get this open otherwise. Wow. Yeah, it's definitely definitely a hard fruit. It just shattered whatever that, I guess that maybe that wasn't a rock. Okay. Whoa! What is this? It's like, what? Wow. I've never seen anything like this. It looks like corn. Like candy corn even, maybe. I mean, I don't know what it smells like, but it doesn't smell bad. Let's see, what if we just, okay, if we peel this back. Very fibrous. Huh. Okay. Yeah, that's cool. And it'll decompose. Yeah, it smells like corn on the cob. It does. Wow.